Hi everybody, this is Tyler Ford with tnAchieves. I just wanted to hop on and provide a brief tutorial or kind of how-to on how the registration process for open houses in April is going to be working over these next few weeks. So in today's Monday email, you have received information on when your open house will occur and where it will occur. You'll also see that there's an RSVP link for your students to fill out. What we ask of you over the next 2 weeks is that you text and email this information to your parents, to your students, and encourage them to attend. We provide another opportunity at these open houses for your students to interact with our staff, interact with you, and engage with local colleges. So it's a great opportunity for your students to kind of continue their college-going momentum. And we ask that over the next 2 weeks, you send this information and you encourage them to register for this upcoming meeting. What we will do then for you as a mentor is once this 2-week student registration window closes is we'll send you an email and we'll let you know whether you do or do not have students planning to attend this meeting. If you do not have students planning to attend, we won't expect you to make it. Do know that it is likely the case that you won't have all of your students register for this meeting. You may not have any students register for this meeting. The spring is a busy time between extracurriculars, work, and students getting ready for graduation. Don't get too discouraged if you find your students can't make it. We will absolutely provide you with some additional guidance on how to continue connecting with those students, even if it isn't at an open house. Now, if you do have students who are planning to make it, we'll send you information on how you can RSVP for this meeting and how you can continue to make plans to attend if you are able. And we hope you can make it because, again, this is a great opportunity to continue engaging with your students. So really, fundamentally, the ask is that over the next 2 weeks, you continue to encourage your students to attend, encourage your students to RSVP for this meeting, and then be on that lookout for that guidance from our team here in about 2 weeks on where your students stand and what you can do to make plans to continue supporting them throughout the spring semester. So thank you so much, and know that if you've got any questions about open houses, you can reach out to our team at mentors@tnachieves.org. Thank you.